Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Epic Games Launcher not opening. If your Epic Games Launcher isn't opening, then what you need to do is here. There are a couple of different steps you could try to fix it. So first of all, you actually want to go ahead and tap on the search box right over here and type in run. As you do it then you want to type in local app data, or just type in %local app data. When you actually have done it, click the OK button. This is going to take you to this field. So here you want to type in Epic Games. You would just type in Epic, and here you have the Epic Games Launcher. Double click that out and you have the seed. You want to go back and make sure to go to Epic Games screen. Double click that out once again, and when you see webcache or something like that, you want to completely delete that out. After you actually delete it, then you want to close the tab and right click at the bottom of the page in order to launch Task Manager. And here, if you locate Epic Games Launcher, you simply want to go ahead and right click on the mouse just like that, and then click on End Task. As you've done it, you want to do the same thing when you locate it, and this is going to completely close Epic Games Launcher. Now then, try launching it and see whether the issue has been solved or not. Despite that, if the issue still persists what next you would also do is on the search box type in Epic Games. When you locate it, right click on the mouse, go to Open File Location. When you go to Open File Location, once again right click on the mouse and go to Properties. When you go to Properties, it's going to show you this sort of pop-up window. So here you want to go ahead and click on Compatibility if you are able to find it, or else you just want to right click on the mouse once again, click on Open File Location, and once you've actually browsed it, you want to then go ahead and right click on the mouse when you locate it, once again, and then you want to go to Properties as I've done earlier. Right click once again and go to Properties. When you go to Properties, here comes the Compatibility tab. You want to make sure that Run this program in a compatibility mode is selected, and as an administrator is also selected. As you've actually done it, then you want to close this up and see the issue has been solved or not. Despite all this, if the issue still persists then the other alternative or a last solution is to uninstall it completely and then install the updated version. That's going to help you out to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.